A simple cake. One bite took me straight back to childhood, to my grandmother's house, to warm days and gentle memories that still live inside me. Butter and sugar are beaten together until light and creamy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each one until fully absorbed. Once the eggs are done, add the flour and whipping cream alternately, mixing just until combined. Divide the batter into two parts. One part stays plain. To the other part, add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1 tablespoon milk. Take a pan greased and floured in advance. Pour in some of the plain batter, then some of the chocolate batter, alternating between them. The batter is thick, not runny. Don't worry, that's exactly how it should be. Using a knife, make very gentle circular swirls, just enough to create the mosaic pattern without mixing the colors completely. Bake in a calm, preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. And the most important thing, don't rush it. The result? A cake whose smell and taste carry you back to kind days, wrapped in warmth, tenderness, and beautiful memory.